Alright, look out.
You gotta fall off the side.
I like.
Wait, she's about to fall off the real, her side.
Olivia.
When it jerks.
Yay!
It's like a roller coaster at home every day.
Excuse you.